can have 6 in. If not, we'll have to have 2. Well, you're coming up at our end, aren't you? So I'll get one with you. I want you let us have 6 in.
Scout, you were terrible at the play today.
Well, I can't help it. I'm not good. I mean, I'm not good at that stuff. I'm like you.
Whoa. Do you hear that?
Oh, that's nothing. That's trying to fool me.
No, seriously, Scout, I see something.
No. Always
Oh.
trying to fool me all the time.
Okay, Scout, whatever you say.
Yeah.
Atticus is gonna be wicked mad. We're not even home on time.
So, you can just tell him that you walk through the woods and it took a lot longer.
Yeah, Scout, you gotta make up something better than that.
Well, I don't know. Just think about it.
I hear something, Scout.
You do?
What? I'm not lying.
Who is that?
Cecil Jacobs?
I think. Is it? I don't know. Jim, watch out! God!
Atticus! Atticus! Atticus!
You hear him, Jen?
Yes, Scout. He'll be alright. He's just got a broken arm. He's unconscious right now. It's okay. Scout, what happened?
Some guy tried to hurt me and Jem, and I got away, but Jem came back with a broken arm, and I don't know who brought him here. It was him! Boo Radley! Boo Radley!
I've tasted 7 sins, so they won't let me in. I knock, knock, knock till my neck is all bruised and raw. Stuck in the middle with my blood and a puddle on the floor. We made our beds, we'll judge ourselves, and only then and there will we disappear to a final resting place. What a waste.
Oh my God, Drew, we just a different part.
Cut this bad boy out.
Help him up. Help him up.
David.
Get him up.
Atticus! Atticus!